What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah's Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I teach you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I am going to show you a little hack that I've been using on eBay to increase my net sales over 100%. So if you want to learn more, stay tuned. Thanks so much for joining. If you're new here, go ahead and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notifications. I am a reseller and I sell on Poshmark and on eBay. I also have a degree in mathematics, and so I like to teach you, show you how to use your number and your data to empower you to hit your true potential. And this allows you to be able to pivot and move as platforms change, as BOLO brands, as pandemic happens. If you know how to truly look at your numbers, then you are going to be able to move with the times. So in today's video, I'm going to show you something that I've been doing on eBay. I'm going to tell you the strategy that I've been doing. I'm going to show you how I know that it's working on eBay, and then I will show you how to do this on eBay as well, because eBay can be kind of complex. So what I have been doing, I normally have my promoted listing set at suggested, which means that it's at trending, and it depends on what item I have, where it is set at, right? And so for the past couple of months, my promoted listing wavers between 5 and 8% for the month on a monthly bill. Also keep in mind, when you do promoted listings, you only get that percent taken off if it sells via promoted listings. So between 5 and 8% I'm paying in addition to the eBay fees to have that added visibility by doing promoted listings. And these last couple of weeks, I thought to myself, let me see if I take some of that off of promoted listings, take some of that percent off of promoted listings and put it into a sale. So I'm still having the same amount of money coming in, but instead of giving that percent to eBay, I'm now giving that percent to the customer, right? So what I did is I was doing my promoted listings, and I will show you guys exactly how I did this in a minute. I just want to set you up with what my strategy was. So I had my promoted listings set at trending. I went in bulk edited and set them down to 3%. So that's roughly 2 to 5% difference in my past bills. And I put that 5% extra into a sale. So I've been running sales for 25%. The max that I've ever done has been 20%. So I was like, let me try it out. I'm taking 5% off of promoted listings. I'm putting it into my sales. So I should be net neutral, right? If that works. And I'm going to show you something that's really exciting, because not only did it work, but it also helped increase my eBay sales. So let me show you how I can tell that it worked, because I think it's important for you guys to be able to see how to use eBay and look at your numbers. They give us so many analytics to be able to look at your numbers. All right, so the first thing, if you are new to the channel, this is the dashboard, the cross-listing dashboard. I do have 3 dashboards for sale. This one is for all platforms. So this has all my information on Poshmark, eBay, Instagram, ThreadUp, all the different various places that I sell on. And you can see I am currently up $2,900 for the month. My Poshmark is basically neutral. I'm about the same on Poshmark. So that is all coming from eBay. You can see over here, my eBay sales are basically double my Poshmark sales for the strategy that I've been using. So this is one metrics that I look at. Like I said, if you guys are new here and you aren't familiar with this, when I purchase an item, it goes straight into here and I update the information. When something sells, I update that information so that I can have this. Like I said, this is for sale. You can purchase it on my website, www.sarahstylesllc.com, or my Etsy store. But then you can also come over to eBay. One of my favorite things about eBay there we go. One of my favorite things about eBay is all of the analytics. It gets very overwhelming. It's very hard. A tip that I will tell you, if you find a chart that you like, bookmark it so that next time you're like, oh, I wanted to look at this, you can go to your bookmarks and the chart is right there. So you have to have a store to be able to have access I am over here under the performance tab, and then I go over to my sales. I'm running a custom report because I've only been doing this for 2 weeks, so I just want to look at that time period. So I ran November 24th to 10/9, and then you would hit generate report. I already had this updated for the video, but that's how you would do it. You can also, you know, last 30 days, this month, this quarter, whatever. So look at this. My sales are up 92%. This is the only thing that I've changed. I decreased my promoted listings. So all of my listings, and I will show you guys how to do this in a minute. All of my listings are now 3% promoted listings. And then I have been running a sale from Thursday to Monday night. I've been running a weekend sale for 25% off. The other thing, I am accepting offers in addition to that 25% off. But so things may be selling a little bit higher than that 25% off, but my total sales, so your total sales are going to include taxes, shipping, fees, promoted listing fees, valuation fees, all of the things that are encompassed. This is your top number, which is good. You know, these are up 92%. So running this sale is actually giving me more visibility than doing just the promoted listings at trending. I'm up 92%. The really cool thing about this is if I'm going to be giving more money off of a sale, I don't want to necessarily be losing more money. My net sales are up 116%, right? So that's almost 20% higher in net sales. And that is strictly because I am lowering my promoted listing. And then you can come all the way down here. Quickly, I will show you. You can break it out between the two. I have children. I am a mom of 3 and they're knocking on the door. So give me just 1 second. All right, so I'm back. So quickly, you can also see too, if you do anything with your promoted listings, it gives you a nice breakout here. You can see that not only are my promoted listings up 96%, my organic sales are also up. Sales beget sales. So even if I'm giving a little bit bigger discount on my promoted because I'm doing that sale, maybe I'm taking a little bit of a lower offer if they counter offer, it's also increasing my organic sales. So my sales altogether are up. And then if you scroll all the way down here, your selling costs. So this is where it's going to break out your selling costs, your eBay fees, and then also your shipping labels. And I have clothes, purses, shoes. So my shipping tends to be in or around the same. My shipping labels maybe have gone up slightly in the past month or a couple of weeks because I'm selling a bit more boots. But for the most part, my eBay shipping fees are going to be around the same percent of everything. And you can see, so this is a little confusing. The green means good. I like that they color code it. Green means good, but then you see a down arrow. And that's because my selling costs are down, which is actually a good thing, right? So up here, my total sales are up. It's green and there's an up arrow. Down here, you can see my selling costs are down by 6%. That's pretty significant. 6% my selling costs, which means that I am bringing more money into my pocket. Not only am I making more sales, I'm also making more net profit because I am not giving eBay as much promoted listings. I'm giving that to the seller. The seller is liking that, and in return, they are buying more items. So that's a strategy that I've been working. Let me show you how to do this if it's not something that you have done in the past. So 2 things that I did here is I came over into my listings, and then you can, and I already have this, so it's not going to show you, but I'll show you the action. So if you click on all of them, you can come here, edit all 845. One of my favorite things about eBay is I can go in and quickly edit all of my listings in the matter of minutes. You can do this for pricing, handling times. When I go on vacation for short periods, that's usually what I'll do. I'll come in here and change my handling time to 2 days, right? So I don't have to shut my store down. You can do promoted listings. You can see. So click up here up on the left. These are all of the edits that you can do in Max. You can do your whole store, or you can do like little bits and pieces of it if you want. But look, item description, item location, listing upgrades, payment, promoted listings, return policy, sales, all shipping. So there's a lot of, this is amazing. But so what I did is I went into promoted listings, and before I had everything promoted listings set ad rate. So I had promoted listings suggested ad rate, and this is where eBay figures out what's trending and it sets an ad rate depending on the listing for you. I went to custom ad rate and I changed it to 3. I'm not going to do this. for the sake of the video because that's what I already have. But if you want to try the strategy out, that's what you would do. And then if you want to run a sale, so I took roughly 5% off of my promoted listings and I put that into my sale to try and increase sales. And as you can see, it did. So now you can come over to marketing, click on Mark Down Sale. And over here, you can create a promotion. If you go down to sale event and markdown, you can decide whatever. I am currently doing 25%. Yes, it hurts a little to offer that big of a discount, but I give a cushion for 20 to 30% anyways. So I'm already expecting to send these offers or to take an offer at this percent, and this is increasing my sales. It's not waiting for a watcher and then for me to send it. It's people just coming in, seeing the sale and buying it. So I'm doing 25%, play around with it. Let me know what you guys are doing. Drop those notes down below. Let me know what's going for you. You can select items, so you can do 500 items per promotion, or you can create rules. So you can say, do my whole inventory. Do the inventory. I'll do a create rule for you. So you can say eBay categories. Let's say I only wanted to do, I'm currently doing all of my inventory, but if you're like, let me try this out and just do health and beauty and my vision care. So then it pulls up. I only have 2 pairs of eyeglasses. Like I said, I do mostly women's clothing, purses, and shoes. But then I could say this. And then you can even go in and say, hey, I don't want it to be on my luxury things. Anything over $100, don't do it on, right? You can come in here and figure out what you want to do. You save and review. I'm not going to start this sale, but you'd save and review, and boom, you're running a sale. So that's it. I am so ecstatic, and I would love to hear if you guys try this, how it works for you. Like I said, I haven't changed anything. I am just taking money out of eBay's pocket, putting it into the seller's pocket. It seems like they're really appreciating that. They're appreciating the extra discount, and my net sales are actually up because of it. So make sure to give a thumbs up on your way out if you like this content. Save it if you like it so you can come back and remember how to do it, and also share it with your friends. If you like this video and you think other people would as well, make sure to share it with your eBay friends. Put it on a Facebook, your favorite Facebook page or whatever it is. I am on social media, Sarah Styles LLC. Sarah Styles LLC on all platforms, eBay, Poshmark, Instagram. So if you are sharing things or talking about the video, do make sure to give me a tag and I will share with my followers as well. Drop those comments down below. What are you guys noticing on eBay? What are you doing right now to increase sales? Don't forget to subscribe. Have a good night.